Want to make it on YouTube?
Then prepare yourself for a hard truth.
Right now, there are over 115 million YouTube channels. And most of them never make it. 90% never reach 1,000 subscribers. Only a tiny percentage ever earn a single dollar.
And less than 0.05% reach 1 million subscribers.
Most people hear those numbers and quit before they even begin.
They think it's too late.
They think YouTube is too crowded.
They think success is impossible. But they're wrong.
Every creator you admire started with 0 subscribers and 0 views. They weren't lucky. They simply approached YouTube differently.
Lesson number 1. Set realistic expectations. YouTube is not a shortcut to money. It's a skill, a craft, and a long-term game.
Lesson number 2. Don't quit too early. Many successful creators uploaded hundreds of videos before gaining traction. Lesson number 3. Apply what you learn. Watching tutorials won't grow your channel. Taking action will. Lesson number 4. Follow the right advice. If someone promises overnight success, run the other way. Lesson number 5. Don't worry about being unique too soon. Learn what works first, then develop your own style.
Lesson number 6. Choose a clear niche. Random content creates confusion.
Lesson number 7. Follow the 80-20 rule. Most of your results come from your idea, thumbnail, title, and first 30 seconds.
Get those things right and growth becomes much easier. Lesson number 8. Stay consistent. Every upload makes you better.
Lesson number 9. Don't be afraid to change niches. Sometimes the problem isn't your content, it's the niche itself.
Most creators fail because they're looking for shortcuts. When success doesn't happen quickly, they quit. But successful creators keep learning, keep improving, and keep showing up. If you do the same, you'll already be ahead of most YouTubers. Keep creating, keep learning, keep going. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies.